Hello everyone. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. There is no substitute for hard work. I repeat, there is no substitute for hard work. It means that if you want to achieve something in life, you have to be willing to put in the work required to achieve it. There is no shortcut for success. So, dear children, do your studies wholeheartedly to taste the fruit of success. So, I hope up till now you must have completed your copies along with your exercises and class test. Now, we are moving towards our new topic, that is bigger and smaller numbers. So, take out your books, copies and compass and be ready to learn this. So, the new topic is bigger and smaller number. The first thing, the principle behind to check this number is, first you have to count the number of digits. The first step is count the number of digits of both the number. Bigger the digits, bigger the number. If number of digits are equal in both the numbers, then move on to the first or highest place of both the number. Highest place of both the number. Check that number. If any one is bigger, then that number will be bigger. But if both are same, both are equal, then move on to the next highest place. Okay. So, in this way, proceed till the last digit. If the last digit is also same, then the both numbers will be equal. Let us see that with a few examples. First, count the number of digits. 4 digit and 3 digit. Bigger the digits, bigger the number. Okay. So, next. Count the number of digits. 3. Since number of digits are equal. Number of digits are equal. Hence, move on to the highest place of both the number. What is the highest place? Hundreds place of both the number. Check the numbers from both the, check the digits from both the number. It is 4 here and 3 here. Which one is bigger? 4. So, bigger the digit, bigger the number. So, see. Next. Count the number of digits of both the numbers. 3 and 3. Since number of digits are equal, move on to the highest place of both the number. Which number is there? 6 and 6. Since they are same, both 6 are same. Move on to the next highest place. That is from left to right. We are going towards the right. So, from left, second position is tens place from both the place. See, tens place. Here 7 is there and here 8 is there. So, which one is bigger? 8 is bigger. So, bigger the digit, bigger the number. Next example. 504, 501. See, number of digits 3. They are equal. So, look at the highest place. Which number is there in the highest place? 5. Both are same. Move on to the next highest place. That is 0. They are also same. Next is 4 and 1. Which one is bigger? 4 is bigger. Hence, bigger the digit, bigger the number. Next example. Count the number of digits. 3. Number of digits are equal. Hence, move on to the highest place. That is 3 and 3. Both are same. Again, go to the, since they are same, go to the next highest. From left to right. We are going from left towards right. So, next highest is 1. Both are again same. So, move on to the next highest place. That is 1 from both the number. They are also same. That's why, since the number of digits are same, all the digits are also same. Hence, the numbers are equal. So, comparing 3-digit and 4-digit number we have seen in our previous standards. Now, we have to expand this concept for our 6 and 7-digit number. We already know that nothing will be changed there also. Concept will always remain same. Move towards the left hand and first count the digits. Move towards the left hand side. Leftmost place, that is highest place. Compare them. If they are equal, move on to the next highest, so on. Okay. So, let's see one example. Count the number of, first step is your count the number of digits. It's 7, it's 6. Which one will be bigger? This will be bigger since number of digits are more here. Next, count the number of digits. It's 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. Since the number of digits are equal. Number of digits are equal. Hence, go to the highest place. It's 5 here and 5 here. They are also same. Okay. That's why move on to the next highest. After 5, next highest is 0. And after 5, next highest is 1. So, compare the 0 and 1. Which one will be bigger? 1 will be bigger. So, the number containing 1 will be bigger number. Next example. 90999. Count the number of digits. 7 digit. 7 digit. Number of digits are equal. That's why move on to the highest place value. That is leftmost place. Leftmost place. That is 9. Again same. Move on to the next highest. That is 0 and 0. They are also same. Move on to the next highest. That is 9 and 9. They are also same. Move on to the next highest. That is 9. This 9. They are also same. Move on to next highest. That is 9 and 9. They are also same. Move on to next highest. That is 9 and 0. They are not same. Since they are not same, the number with bigger digit is bigger number. So 9 is bigger than 0. So this number will be bigger than this number. Okay. Next example. Again, first step is count the number of digits. It's 7. It's 7. So since the number of digits are equal, always first look for the number of digits. That is the shortest trick to check the bigger and smaller number. First look at the number of digits, then move forward. Okay. So first number, go to the highest place. That is 6 from this number and also 6 from this number. They are same. Move on to next highest. After this is the next highest. That is, it is lakhs place. So 6 from this number, 6 from this number. They are again same. Move on to next highest place. That is 6 and 6. They are also same. Move on to next highest place. That is 7 and 7. They are also same. Move on to next highest place. That is 7 and 7. They are also same. Move on to next highest. That is 7 and 7. They are also same. Move on to next highest. That is last digit. Check it. 7 and 7. They are also same. Since number of digits are same, digit at every places are also same. Hence, these two numbers are equal. Let's check last example. 7, 9, 7, 6, 000. How many number of digits? 3 plus 4, 7 digit. 3 plus 4, 7 digit. So, number of digits are same. That's why go for the highest place. That is 7 here and 7 here. They are same. Move on to the next highest place. That is 9 and 9. They are also same. Move on to next highest. That is 7 and 7. This is also same. Move on to next highest. That is 6 and 7. They are not same. 6 and 7 are not same. So, bigger the digit, bigger the number. So, this digit will be bigger. So, you have to expand this concept of checking bigger and smaller number for all digit numbers. Whatever, however big it may be, you have to check likewise only. First check the number of digits, then go for the, if number of digits are equal, then go for the highest place value. Check it. If it is equal, then go for the next highest and so on. If all the digits are equal, then that number will be equal. Okay. In our next video, we will see how to solve its exercise. Till then, thank you and practice all these numbers for 5, 6 and 7 digits.